Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 6th, and this is my analysis of the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound dollar monthly time frame, I still am very bullish. I still think there's a very good likelihood this is going to make a nice five-wave uptrend. I think it most likely will go up and take out these highs, probably all the way up to one of these Fibonacci extension levels, and most likely end up looking something along these lines. Now, that is the monthly time frame, so that's going to take a very long time to play out. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still think this first push up is a wave one. I think this whole middle section right here is a running flat wave two, higher high wave B, higher high wave C. Definitely fits the characteristics of a running flat. I think that is the end of a wave two. I think this is a three, a one of three. I think this is a corrective two of three. I think there's a pretty good likelihood that we're already in this wave three of three, and it's just going to keep on going up over the coming weeks and months, making higher highs, higher lows on these higher time frames to make that pattern like I was showing on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the weekly time frame, I think this is the end of a correction. I mean, it definitely looks like an A, B, C, D, E correction. I mean, it made a nice impulsive move up, and then it made a higher low, which was really your first indication that the correction was over. And then we got another higher low. I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move down right here, just because I'm looking for areas of resistance. I mean, these fib levels are probably not going to turn the market, but it probably will be areas of resistance, areas for pullbacks, which for us is great news because at the end of pullbacks, is where I will look to get in again on those sort of time frames for the continuation of this uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame I is where you can see this nice impulsive move up, higher highs, higher lows, probably a wave one. I think this is A, B, and C, most likely a wave two. And as you can see, we are definitely making higher highs and higher lows. I definitely don't think this is over. And most likely it is a wave three. So for me, I definitely wouldn't try to go long now, but most likely if this is a trend, which it looks like it is, then it will, like I said, continue to make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, which is good news for us because that gives us opportunities to go long on shorter time frames. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, if any of you watched my PM video last night on the pound dollar, then this actually played out exactly like we planned. Nice impulsive move down, corrective up, impulsive down, three waves down, nice engulfing move to the upside. That was almost a perfect ABC correction right there. Really doesn't get much better than that. Turned right at a nice Fibonacci retracement of this last push up, and now it's trending up very clearly. I don't really think it's over. I think it probably needs to continue up more at some point, which we really don't know when. I mean, it could just keep on going up, but at some point, I'm sure it will make another pullback. Which, like I always say, pullbacks are actually great news for us because that gives us chance to go long at the end of these corrections. Until the higher time frames tell me otherwise, I enjoy nothing by looking for longs at the end of every single pullback that I see for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.